Hello everyone. Today I want to explain active voice and passive voice. Okay. Now listen. Active voice means what? When the subject in the sentence is the doer of the action or the verb is said to be in the active voice. When the subject in the sentence is the doer of the action, the verb is said to be in the active voice. Here subject or doer plays an active role. Okay, here subject is given important. All verbs can be transitive or intransitive, can be used in their active forms. For example, I helped her, the hunter shot the deer, she writes poem, the gardener waters the plants. Now see, passive voice. When the subject in the sentence is the receiver of the action, the verb is said to be in the passive voice. Here, the subject or receiver plays a passive role, not given importance. Here, object is given importance. Listen again. When the subject in the sentence is the receiver of the action, the verb is said to be in the passive voice. Here, the subject or receiver plays a passive role. A verb can be used in the passive form only when it is transitive verb. Here, transitive or intransitive can be used in their active form. But here, only when it is transitive verb. That time only a verb can be used. For example, see, here I helped her. Here in passive, she was helped by me. See, here I changed it here, that here. Okay, here subject. Last, okay. Next, the hunter shot the deer. The deer was shot by the hunter. See, here subject. Okay, last. She writes poems. Poems are written by her. Here she, subject first. Here see, subject last. The gardener waters the plants. The plants are watered by the gardener. Here, see, subject. Okay, object comes first and subject goes last. Is that clear? Active voice, difference between active voice and passive voice. Okay, when the subject in the sentence is the doer of the action, the verb is said to be in the active voice. When the subject in the sentence is the receiver of the action, the verb is said to be in the passive voice. Rules to be observed while changing a sentence from active to passive voice. The object of the active voice becomes the subject in the passive voice. Listen again. The object of the active voice becomes the subject in the passive voice. The subject of the active voice becomes the object in the passive voice. The passive voice usually has the prepositional phrase by, sometimes with or sometimes to, plus doer at the end. Okay, prepositional phrase by plus doer at the end. Very often the object can be omitted in the passive voice construction. Note, the sentences of the following tenses can't be changed to passive voices. 1. Present perfect continuous or present perfect progressive tense. Second, past perfect continuous or past perfect progressive tense. Future perfect continuous tense or future perfect progressive tense, or sometimes future continuous or future progressive tense, or sentences having intransitive verb. Okay, no object after the verb. Okay, such sentences of the following tenses can't be changed to passive voice. To understand the difference in both voices, we should focus on the subject and the object of the sentence. Okay, listen again. To understand the difference in both voices, active as well as passive voices, we should focus on the subject and the object of the sentence. Okay, pick out the subject and object, then you see where subject in active voice subject is given importance and in passive voice object is given importance. Now one more point. The only form of verb used in passive voice is the third form of verb, which is also called past participle. Okay, third form is past participle. Always in passive voice we use past participle, that means third form of verb. Okay, and one more thing, in passive voice we use be form also. Okay, in present tense be, if subject I then am, if subject he she it then is, if plural subject we you they that time are, and past tense was, singular subject, and plural subject were, and third form been. If the subject or object in the active voice sentence is a pronoun, the changes are as follows. Okay, in active voice sentence is a pronoun, that time changes are as follows. Okay, I changes into me, we changes into us, he changes into him, she changes into her, they changes into them, you changes into you only, no change. Okay, here in active voice and passive voice. Okay, changes are as follows. Now let's see how sentences changes active to passive voice. Okay, if any sentence is in simple present tense, okay, in active voice we can see subject first, after that verb 1, yes or es. Okay, singular subject, there we can see s or es, and plus object or remaining part of the sentence, same like simple present tense, that active voice. Okay, no changes formula. Now how it change into passive voice? Here object comes first. After that, if subject I then am. If subject she, he, it then is. If plural subject we, you, they then are. Plus verb 3 means past participle. Plus by, prepositional phrase. Okay, by. After that subject or doer. Okay. Now see one example. The potter sculpts beautiful pots. Okay, sentence is in what? Simple present tense. Now how you change it into passive voice? Now here object comes first. That means object, which one object? Beautiful pots. Okay, beautiful pots, here plural, so are sculpted by the potter. Here see, doer last. Okay, subject comes last, object first, beautiful pots object. Now second, he writes a letter. Okay, simple present tense in active voice, he writes a letter. Now how you change it into passive voice? Here a letter object. Okay, a letter is written by him. Okay, letter is here singular, a letter, so is written by him. Next, I eat an apple daily. Now object, an apple is eaten, eat, ate, eaten. Okay, eaten by me daily. Okay, he carries a heavy bag. Now object, which one? A heavy bag. Okay, he is carried. Okay, carries, carried, carried. So third form verb 3, carried by him. Is that clear? How you change the sentence in simple present tense, active to passive voice. If any sentences in present continuous or present progressive tense, that time in active voice subject comes first. After that, if subject I then am. If subject he, she, it then is. If subject we, you, they then are, or plural, any plural subject. Okay, here singular subject, there is, and ing form of verb plus object. Okay, now how you change it into passive voice? Here again object comes first, object is given importance, so object comes first. After that am, if subject I then am, if subject she, he, it, or any singular subject, or and are we, you, they. After that again being, ing form of verb, no, so instead of ing form of verb, here being. Again verb 3, past participle, then subject. Okay, doer again last. Now For example, he is teaching me English. Here, active voice. Okay, he is teaching me English. Subject, after that is, then ing form of verb, then remaining part of the sentence. Now, how you change it into passive voice? I am being taught English by him. Okay, teach, taught, taught, third form. Okay, verb 3. Object plus, if subject I, then am. If subject he, she, it or singular, then is. If subject we, you, they or plural, then are. Plus being, ing form of verb, being. Okay, be form, being. Plus verb 3 plus subject, doer. Okay, subject or doer. Now for example, he is teaching me English. Okay, that present continuous tense. He is, subject he, then he, singular subject, so he is used, then ing form of verb. Okay, now how you change it into passive voice? Okay, I am being taught English by him. Okay, next, Karishma is wrapping a gift. A gift is being wrapped by Karishma. Who is knocking at the door? Interrogative sentence actually. Okay, who is knocking at the door? Okay, is plus ing form of verb, so it is also present continuous tense. Okay, now how you change it into passive voice? By whom is the door being knocked at? Okay, is that clear? Okay. Now next, present perfect tense. Okay, in active voice you can see first subject, after that plural subject there have, singular subject there has, then verb 3, then remaining part of the sentence or object. Okay, now how you change any sentence is in present perfect tense in passive voice. Okay, here passive voice object comes first, after that as or have plus been plus verb 3 plus subject or doer. Now for example, she has polished her shoes. Her shoes have been polished. Actually by her, here subject omitted. Okay, they have helped me to cut the lawn. I have been helped by them to cut the lawn. Okay, you see this formula, how you change active voice into passive voice. So you learn this formula. For more information, you see active and passive part 2.